Hello.
Is anybody out there?
Yeah?
Who is that?
It's me.
Snuffy. Oh dear, Snuffy, I've been looking for you everywhere. You have? Yeah, I looked at the park and the library and the grocery store. Well, Big Bird, I've been here the whole time. Oh, gee, Snuffy, you are so silly sometimes. Ha, 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 Big Bird. Hello? Hello? Me want cookies.
Want to eat some phone?
Who's got cookies?
You want to eat some phone cookies?
Did somebody say cookies? Oh, hey, Kermit. I'm looking for some cookies. No. Big Bird, my face is not a cookie. I'm sorry, Kermit. It just looks so delicious.
Did you just say Big Bird?
Oh, sorry. Oh, Cookie Monster, you're so silly. Hello, everybody! It is I, Grover.
When you want to be the end, do one of the babies and do what I did in the last video, okay?
Okay. Hey. Oh. Gee, Bert. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. On that note, the end.
Hey, why? You didn't do all the babies. You didn't do all the babies.
Just stop it. Just stop it. Will you do? I'm here to count. Go, Ben, go. No.
Show me them all. Show me them all together.
Oh, Ben. Don't forget me.
I won't. Where's Grover?
Oh. There, they're all up there. The end.
You have to do what I did, like Bert or someone.
Okay,
At
do
the
it.
end. Oh.
This is the end, folks.
This is the end, folks. Bye.